Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys 2 ways to make your text glow in CapCut PC. Go to text, add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word example, and I'm going to also select the font here. Let's use something else actually, this alien encounter one, and I'm going to select the color green for it. You can either scroll down to go to the glow option here and select this glow. You can adjust the intensity as well as the range as well. Or you can turn off glow and you can go to the effects section and search for edge glow, or select luminance, which is under nature. So this one's the edge glow one, and the luminance one is in nature. I hope I spelled it correctly. Here, just turn off the filters and it's pretty much the same thing. You can also right click and create compound clip. So, actually do it before you add in the effects here. Then add the effects later. I don't think it shows as much but it shows if I put it on top of it. So maybe the first one was better. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!